one king, a famous king, maybe in the Greece or somewhere. What happened is, in the Greek, what happened is, in the olden days, one king is going to attack another king. It's a very common, right? It's a very common, man. Wars, declare the war, and then going there, attacking the kingdom. Like, it's very common.
Conquering kingdom.
Yeah. What one king did is, with all his soldiers, with all these forces, he went, he's trying to attack a king. But to enter into the kingdom, there's a big security walls will be there. There's a big door is there. A big door is there. Doors, olden days. So do you know the doors of the, what we call the compound walls? Bigger things are there. It's impossible, okay, to break such type of doors. They are going to keep as a security. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, friends. If you visit Golconda port, any port, the doors, special things by default will be there. Even for the temples also. Temples, next, you are going to see bigger things. Then this king trying to attack on that kingdom. Their first job is they require to break that doors. Not in a position to break. Not in a position to break. What that person did is, there is one best engineer is there. Go there and ask him to provide a big something like dolam antar kada. Okay, mana kobbari chettu log something like that. A big log. Can you please bring that person so that we can break like that. Then his followers or his soldiers, okay, went there to that person. Went there, approached that person. We are attacking so and so kingdom, but the door is this much size is there. Almost for the last 3 days onwards, we are trying to break, but not in a position to break that. Can you provide a big log or something like a big dolam lantidi? Okay, can you provide? Now, what the people are going to do is, by hitting with that big strengthened wooden kind of thing, they are going to break. It's going to be helpful like that. Are you in a position to visualize what I'm telling?
Yes, sir.
What happened is that engineer told how much size, how much length you require. It should be very bigger, it should be very long like that. Then the engineer told that if you are taking very bigger, if you are taking very long, then you can't break that, like he told. Then what happened is the engineer told it's not going to fulfill your requirement. We don't know. Our king told that a big strengthened plus long trunk, wooden trunk we require, provide like that. I'm telling, the purpose is not going to be fulfilled. Actually, for this, easy to carry, easy to hit and strengthen must be required. That's why very long is not going to work out. A small thing only is going to work out. I will provide like. No, my king asked only for, okay, long, only for long trunk and big, huge size trunk only like that. I'm the engineer. I know that your purpose is not going to be fulfilled. If it is required, I will talk with your king. Can you please take this a small wooden trunk like he provided a small wooden trunk. Because to hit that, easy to carry, easy to apply the force. Okay, like a big trunk, if they are providing, it's not going to hit that much strongly like because of its heavy weight, like he told. Then he provided a small trunk only. Then the soldiers took that, and then they approached the king. By seeing that trunk, wooden trunk, what is the feeling of the king?
Angry.
Fully angry. What I told, what you people did like. Then those people told, we told to the engineer the same, but he's not in a position. He's not listening my word. He's telling that one is not going to work out like that. He's going to object the king word. Better to bring that person like that. Then automatically that person came without asking any question. In that war in front of all soldiers, that person king hanged that engineer man. What is the problem?
Ego.
Remember that ego is that much danger. Ego is that much danger. Sir, first, whatever the king is expecting, you have to provide. And then, if you want, you can guide him. If it is not going to work out, if you want, you can guide him. అరే నేను చెప్తున్నా కదా, ఐ నో ఐఎమ్ ద ఇంజనీర్, బెటర్ టు టేక్ దిస్ జస్ట్ ఫర్ దట్ వర్డ్, ఈవెన్ దో ఈస్ టెలింగ్ ట్రూత్, just the king's ego got hurted. What happened is that engineer got killed by the king. Observe that. Ego, the people are going to, sir, give that much importance for the ego, man. Remember, just for the ego, the people are going to that much importance. So protect opposite person's ego. Try to satisfy without losing anything from your side. Next, give. Okay, so don't criticize, don't scold, don't criticize, don't scold. If you are getting the chance to criticize, if you are getting the chance to scold, don't do that. Always protect their self-respect. Always protect their dignity. Always try to protect their, satisfy their ego. Remember that.